Welcome to this introduction to NEC's structured fast-track A-level courses. With a set start date, structured approach and tutorials, we've designed these courses to help you complete your A-level within a year and gain all the important grades you need. Each structured fast-track A-level features a comprehensive induction program starting early September, a small cohort starting mid-September, a schedule of work which has been carefully considered to help you complete the course within a year, live tutorials throughout the course, past paper marking, tutor support including a mid-course review, predicted grade, UCAS reference, student-only and tutor-led forums. When you open your course in Learn at NEC, you will see the course companion, a list of forums, plans, guides and support that are designed to help you with your studies. This page also contains links to all of the sections of the course with summaries of what you will focus on in each section. Click Section 1, Lifestyle, Health and Risk. Each section includes an introduction, along with all of the reading materials and resources that you will need to complete the topic. Topics are PDF documents that can be read on screen. Alternatively, you can print and complete the activities on paper. Live webinars and tutorials are linked in each section of the course and hosted on Big Blue Button. The platform runs in your browser, so there is no need to install additional software. You can use a microphone so that you can join in with the discussion. Alternatively, you can opt to just listen. These settings can be changed once you are in the session. Each webinar will be available to revisit. You can navigate using the slides in the sidebar to return to a particular topic. This is useful for revision and assignments. There are quizzes throughout the course to test your understanding of what you have been learning. After you have completed the quiz, you will be able to look back at what you answered correctly and see where there is room for improvement. In the course companion, you will also find links to information on set texts, student support and student forums. As you complete your work, you can complete the course checklist, helping you keep track of items that you may have missed. This page will also show you your overall progress. Assignments are made available in each section. The assignment is provided as a downloadable and printable PDF. Completing these assignments throughout your course gives you the best chance of success. On each structured fast-track A-level, there are deadlines spread throughout the duration to help you plan your time effectively. For assignment feedback, tutors can point you in the right direction and help you make improvements to your work. For more information, please visit our website at www.nec.ac.uk or speak to our course advice team on 0800 389 2839 or by emailing info@nec.ac.uk.